What's up, smart people? Today we are solving British Physics Olympiad. Ready? Let's go! A boy playing golf hits his ball and it lands a certain distance away. His friend is much stronger and hits her ball so that it leaves the ground at the same angle to the horizontal as the boy's, but moving twice as fast. How much further will the second ball travel before hitting the ground? Alright, so if we make a quick sketch, here's our ball and the golfer hits it, imparting it a certain initial velocity u at angle theta. Alright, and the ball will travel in a parabolic fashion and hit the ground. Now, the question is, if I double the velocity, make it 2u, would it travel twice as far? Well, if you said twice as far, my friend, you need to work hard. Now, let me explain. You see, this initial velocity, we can break it into two components. We can break it into the horizontal component, which would be u cos theta. And we can break it into the vertical component, which is u sine theta. All right? Now, if you double the speed, you would also double the vertical and the horizontal. But if you double the vertical speed, all right, it would take twice as long to fall back. That means the time of flight would increase by a factor of 2. Okay, but doesn't that mean that it would travel twice as fast? Well, not quite, because you also double the horizontal speed. So now you have twice the horizontal speed for twice as long. And that means it would travel 4 times farther. So the correct option to this problem is 4 times. And that solves the problem. I'll see you in the next video.